Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm sharing with you my evening routine. The first thing I like to do is touch up my makeup before Chase gets home. This is just something I've always done. I've always been so appreciative that I get to stay home with Savannah, and so I hate him coming home to like a hot mess. So I always just like touch up my makeup, fluff up my hair, and then I head into my living room. I like him to come home to a clean house as well. And of course, Chase doesn't expect any of this, but I just liked to do it for him. I love him coming home, just like a nice, cozy, clean atmosphere. As you can see, I'm not doing any deep cleaning. I'm not wiping anything down. I'm just basically putting everything back in its home, something that's been out of place, just so it looks nice and fresh when he comes in. Right about that time is when Chase pulls up. He always calls me when he leaves work, so I know about how long I have to get those things done. And he works about 30 minutes away, so I have a good amount of time. It's not like I'm ever in a scramble. And then that's when we eat dinner. This is either where we cook together as a family, or typically he brings dinner home to us. Tonight we're having Arby's, and so we're just going to take that into the dining room and sit down and eat together. This is also another time that we start catching up. As you can tell, Savannah's chatty Cathy over there. She loves telling Daddy everything we did for the day and what she learned during school. So we just spend this time kind of catching up with one another. So after dinner on this particular night, Savannah has a dance class, and we always all go together if Chase is home, if he's not like working late. We're one of those families that like spending time together, and so he doesn't just stay at home and do anything while I'm off taking her. We like to sit there and just enjoy each other's company, and he likes getting to watch Savannah dance. So we all jump in the car and head off to her dance class. Once a week, Chase does like to go over all Savannah's homework and like worksheets that she's been doing. Typically it's during dance class because we're just sitting there in a quiet room, so that's just what he's looking at right there. And then we're gonna head back home, and as soon as I get back home, I like to put my pajamas on for the evening, and then that's where I'm gonna go ahead and fold a load of laundry. I typically always have laundry to do every night, and it's normally just coming out of the dryer, so all I have to do is fold it and put it away. Now this is Savannah's load. I have been doing hers separate. I feel like it just works better, so I know the whole basket goes into her room. Typically she is helping me, but right now she's taking a bath from dance class, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fold all these clothes and then put them away for her. I do want to mention I fold the majority of her clothes kind of like the KonMari style, or at least similar. When I put them in there, I like all of her pieces that she can see. She likes to wear the same thing over and over. She probably gets that from mommy, but if she can open up a drawer and see her options, she tends to grab something different. So I've learned to fold it that way. I've been doing that for over probably 1.5 to 2 years now, and it just works well, and she likes the way it looks. And since it's just her and she's older, she can pretty much maintain that. So we do fold that way for her as well. Now that I finished folding everything, I'm going to go ahead and put the towels away, and then I'm going to put her items away that go into her drawers, and then you'll see me grab hangers, and we like to hang up all her shirts just so they don't get wrinkly and so she can see kind of easily what she has to wear. Now I'm going to be hanging up all her shirts back into her closet. Right now we have it into like 2 different sections. Down low is all her like long sleeves and sweatshirts because it's cold right now, and then I put all her t-shirts up higher because she's just not into those as much right now. She may wear them occasionally, but I like to put out the ones she's wearing more often where she's easy to access them. And then after she gets out of the bath, in wintertime, we always play games at night. In the summer, we stay outside a lot longer until bedtime, but now it's just cold and dark. And so our favorite game has been Ruckus lately. And it's like an LOL game that she got for Christmas, and we are loving it. But if we're not playing this, we play like Skip-Bo, Uno, Face 10, Sorry. We just love all those games, and we just have fun spending some time with Savannah in the evenings before she goes to bed. Also, while we're playing games, we always have the TV on. We're either watching Shark Tank or some other show. Savannah really likes that American Ninja Warrior, but it's not on right now. And so we're watching America's Got Talent, but we just like to find those family-friendly shows to have noise on in the background. And then Chase heads off and starts putting Savannah to bed, and this is when I start like my pickup mode. You guys know everything in my house has a home, so it's never that dirty or cluttered, but I do like to give my sofa a good fluff, put the remotes up, make sure the blankets look good. I don't know, I just sleep better knowing my house is picked up. I like starting the day with a fresh start. I don't like coming into the living room and it already being dirty. The other thing I like to do is a vacuum. Once again, not only do I like waking up to fresh vacuumed carpet, and not only does it make me sleep better, but I feel like it's just better for bugs. If we've been eating or leave food down, I just don't like there being crumbs or dirt all over the floor. So once again, this just kind of helps me relax in the evenings. It doesn't take but like 5 minutes, and so I just always do this every night. I also wanted to mention that this is the same day. If you look around my house, a few of the decor and furniture pieces have been rearranged, but that's just what I do. When Chase got home during one of the parts when I wasn't filming, we rearranged a few pieces, but this is all the same evening. Like I said before, Chase is in the room with Savannah. He likes to get her to bed, so he's just making sure she's brushed her teeth and put jammies on or whatever they needed to do, pick up her room. When I get done vacuuming, that means Tiger's done with me, and so he'll head in there and get to bed with them. And then when I finish cleaning, I'll head in the room too to lay down with her so we can say prayers and kiss her goodnight before we head into our bedroom. Once we're done tucking Savannah into bed, this is where we come into our bedroom now for the evening. We'll just go ahead and throw the pillows off the bed and get comfortable and lay down. We talk, I answer questions, we kind of work on our phones. We love to watch The Office in the evening. It's just calming to us, and we like going to bed on a happy note, or I do anyways. I don't like being scared or upset, so we love finishing the day with The Office. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching our evening nighttime routine. We loved getting it to share it with you. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to hit that red subscribe button down below, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.